Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me Guntur. So today I wanna tell you how to use bridge in Mikrotik. So what is bridge? A bridge is tools that used to segment and extend a network. The use of bridges allows several separate networks to be connected securely and including LAN networks. In addition, bridges are also able to connect networks of the same or different type, such as Ethernet and fast Ethernet. So bridging, the simple explanation is to make two different interfaces work together. Example, on the EOIP tunnel, we're gonna bridge some Ethernet and the tunnel. So to make the EOIP, we must use the bridge to make Ethernet and the tunnel is work together. And today I will tell you how to use bridge in Mikrotik. Okay, first thing first, you're gonna open your uh, Winbox, and the next is we're gonna make an example. We're gonna make some bridge. Okay, okay. The bridge is there is two component. There is bridge for the interface and bridge for the port. Example, we're gonna name it bridge header and apply. Okay, and for the ports, we're gonna add, let's say, header 2, apply, and then header 3. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, okay. Next, we're gonna add either 3 for the bridge. Apply. Okay, now let's say this flags is highway offload and the other tree is inactive and highway offload. Why this other tree is inactive? Because I do not use the other tree. I only use the other one and the other two to connect the Mikrotik to my laptop. Okay, now we're gonna see for the IP address and look, we're gonna set the either to IP, we're gonna change to bridge either for the interface. Apply. Done. And then now we have one IP for two interface. Before we cannot make IP two IP for one interface and the same IP for other interface. But now we have one IP for two interface. Okay, that's how to bridge either port. But you know that not only Ethernet port that we can do the bridge. Example from we're gonna see for in the interface list. So the either 2 is running slave and the either 3 is slave for the flags, and the bridge header is running. So header 2 and header 3 is slave from the bridge header. So like that for the bridge. Okay. Next, we're gonna try to make some EOIP tunnel using bridge. First, we're gonna go to PPP. Okay, wait. We're gonna go to interface and the EOIP tunnel. That name is just EOIP tunnel. Let it default, guys. Apply. Okay, so now have the EOIP tunnel. I like the name Ethernet over IP. So we're gonna add the IP2 for example. Okay, just some random IP slash 30 example. and the interface is UIP tunnel. Oh, so the UIP tunnel is not works because the tunnel doesn't have the either, because like the name always and always Ethernet over IP. So we're gonna bridge. Okay, we're gonna add the bridge one AOIP. Apply, and for the ports, let's say bridge AOIP either 4. Apply. Okay, and the one again we're gonna bridge the UIP tunnel. Okay, done. Now we're gonna have two bridge in here, bridge UIP for UIP tunnel and bridge either for Ethernet 1. Okay, maybe only in here my tutorial for bridge actually is a pretty simple techniques, but it have a lot of features, a lot of function that are very reliable with the bridge. Okay, maybe if you have some requests, you can comment in below, and uh, please help my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.